My name is Shannon, and I'm a Regional Director of Operations for National Hospitality Services. My journey with NHS began in 2019 when they came in and took over my 2 hotels that I was area GM for. I would describe hospitality management as fun, exciting, and something new every day. What makes NHS different is that we really thrive and care about our people. We want to see our people succeed, but also we care about our owners and our guests. NHS culture is very empowering and about our people. Our operations initiatives really affect the bottom line by saving in between on labor, cost controls to really get the most out of every dollar that we make on our top line. The best part about working in operations at NHS is that I really get to see my general managers grow and become these amazing leaders at each hotel.